Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to speed up Windows 11 performance in 2 steps. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to click on the search icon and type View Advanced System Settings. Now click on View Advanced System Settings option. Now select the Advanced tab in the Performance column, click on Settings. Then select the third option, Adjust for the best performance, and enable these 5 options. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK and close the window. The second step is to click on the taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings. Now on the left side, search for App Startup. Now disable all the startup apps. That's it. Now cut this window and restart your system, and you will get a very good performance in your Windows 11. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.